Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome. So for today's video, I'm actually doing something completely different, something I have never done for my channel before. I'm doing a full face of using products that I absolutely hate, and this video is also in collab with Pretty Uncensored, who I will link down below as well as link up right here. Her and I both decided to get together and both wanted to film a video where we would do a full face using products that we completely hate to see if we use the same products, use different products. So make sure you guys go check her out. Like I said, I will definitely put the link down below for her. She's awesome, she's funny, and she's really great to get along with. So please go check her out. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's just dive right into this video, and I'm gonna do a full face of everything that I absolutely hate. I do have like one or two things in here that I don't hate. I just didn't have a product for it, because normally when I have a makeup product that I absolutely hate, I just give it away to my friends who are like, I'll take it, because I just don't like to waste makeup and I don't like to just sit there. So anytime I get makeup that I don't like, I'm like, here, somebody take it. So some products I do apologize for. So for the first product, I'm going to be using the Pores No More Illuminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. This is a product I received like 2 months ago in a BoxyCharm box. It's a luminizing primer, and I have very, very oily skin, so I absolutely hate luminizers. It's just, all it does is just add the extra shine to my face that I don't need. So that's the only reason why I hate this product. Other than that, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a very expensive primer. If I remember, I think it's like, oh, I don't remember the price of it. I would say somewhere in the 40 bucks, if not higher. But so I feel bad for hating it, because I know it's really expensive, but it just doesn't do anything for me. It just adds a dewy complexion, and I know a lot of people out there love to have that. I'm just not one of those people. Okay, so for my next step, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Plus Fluid in the color NW15. I got this product because Raw Beauty Christy actually recommended it in one of her videos back in September, and I was like, oh my god, her face and makeup was flawless and beautiful. I was like, I have to get it. I got it, and every time I use it, it like separates on my face. It gets really cakey, and it's horrible. I don't like it. And it works for so many people out there, and so it's a really big bummer for me, because I really wish that I could like it. But it looks beautiful at first when I first put it on, but then maybe like within an hour or so, I could just see the separation on my face. I could just see it just like going everywhere. My oil comes through like crazy, and I'm just like, I don't like it. I'm also using the Perfection Face foundation brush. I never use foundation brushes. I only ever use sponges, because foundation brushes, I notice it doesn't cover my face, or just separates. I just have an issue with it. But I got this again in another BoxyCharm box, and it's supposed to be a foundation brush, and I've used it quite a few times, and it just like absorbs the product. It doesn't like actually like, I don't know, I have an issue with it, and I've used it multiple times to give it a chance, and it just doesn't work well. Like, I just feel like it leaves my skin so streaky on my face. Already looks so oily. This is my first time doing a collaboration. I'm really excited because Pretty Uncensored, she was actually one of my first subscribers besides my family and friends that subscribed to my channel, and she's been so sweet, so kind, and she's been with me from the get-go. So when we reached out to each other and was like, let's do a collab, I was like, no doubt, like I have to do this with her, because she's awesome, and I definitely recommend go checking her out. God. Look at that. Ugh. There's hair on this. My face looks so shiny. And I can see like this streakiness. Ooh. Look at that. Look at like how streaky this is. And I know someone's gonna comment on here saying I'm doing it wrong, I'm not using the brush right, I'm not using foundation right. Whatever, it's just makeup. It's supposed to be fun. So for the next product that I hate, it's actually, surprisingly enough, is my Shape Tape from Tarte. The only reason why I hate this product is not because of the product itself, it's because of the color. I got the color light, so it's too bright for me, so whenever I take any photos, I have a lot of flashback. I know it's not supposed to create flashback, but it does, and it's my fault because I picked the color light when I'm actually light neutral and a little bit darker, and so it just is super bright on me. That's the only reason why I picked this product. Otherwise, I generally do like Shape Tape. If I had gotten the right color, this product would have been great. but I didn't, and I never bothered to go back and get a new one just because I've been super lazy, and I've tried out other products instead, like the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, which is $6, and I think it works phenomenally, and I got the right color there. So I'd rather spend $6 than spend like $30 on a concealer, you know? So that's why I never went bothered getting a new one of this. But I mean, I'm sure one day I will. I mean, because it smells amazing, and the product is, I love how thick and creamy it is because I feel like it really gets into my pores. I just did a horrible job picking out the color. I didn't do much research into it to figure out exactly what type of skin tone I had, what my exact perfect match was. I just figured go for light, and that didn't work out very well. This is like literally smearing it around my face. Oh my gosh. See, you see how like pale it makes me? It makes me like super freaking pale. I look like a freaking ghost. Whatever. So unfortunately, I don't have any loose setting powder to use in this video because there is no loose setting powder that I hate. I did have the NYX HD setting powder. That one I actually gave away. It was very fine powder. It felt amazing, but I definitely got some huge flashback on that. So unfortunately, I did give that away, so I don't have any powder to use in this video. So I'm just going to use my Cover FX setting powder just to try to help out a little bit. I'm just using just a random Real Techniques brush because I've never used this brush. I got it in a pack. And right, so for the next step, I'm actually going to be using this little palette right here. This is the BoxyCharm Collab with Pure Cosmetics. I did receive this in my March box, and this eyeshadow palette I could not stand. I thought it was a total flop. The colors did not blend. They did not have any sort of like pop to them besides the color Charmer, and I couldn't stand it. I just couldn't stand this box. So, or I couldn't stand this eyeshadow palette. So I figured this would be great to put into my video today. I'm also going to be using the same brush set that they gave us in that same palette as well, because when I use these brushes, they were a really cool concept because they tell you exactly what the brush was for and what part of the eye was for, but they are so freaking hard on the eye that it sucked at blending. So I'm that perfect combination for the two. So, and it smells like chemicals. Just gonna throw that out there for you. I'm sure somebody's gonna be like, oh, you're being super negative. Yeah, I am, because I paid, you know, I wanted this to work. I was rooting for it. We were all rooting for it.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
You know, I really do love BoxyCharm. I think it's a cool concept where you pay $20 to get a box of 5 products, of full-size products. But man, some of the stuff they put in here for you are like, what the heck is this? It's shitty. Go to Alliance. I have not used this color. Let's try Alliance. Let's put this right here. Oh man, it just got huge fallout on my face. Look at that. Look at that. Let's try the finger. On the finger, looks great, right? Let me just wipe that away. You know, it's actually a pretty color when I apply it with my finger. This is a pretty color. Even when I use my fingers, I have a huge fallout. I mean, the foils are definitely soft. It's really soft on the finger, and when I apply with my finger, it does apply pretty easily. I just hate the fallout. Let's go with Charmer. I never really gave this color a chance. But so far, I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world, but it's definitely a palette that I don't know, I just couldn't get into it. Oh my god, my foundation looks so freaking horrible. Oh my god. I'm actually going to be using the Pretty Vulgar Make 'em Blush Prim Vixen blush. I received this in my March edition box of BoxyCharm. That was a fantastic box for sure. This blush right here is just so like, it's so pink. I don't know how else to describe it. Like, I love peachy tone blushes. I know there's a lot of people out there who really did enjoy the blush. I just wasn't one of them, and I really wanted to, but to me it's just, let me show you. Like, look at that. Focus. It's just, it's so pink. so pretty. Alright, so for my highlight, I am going to be using the Tarte Stunner Amazon in Clay 12-Hour Highlight. I received this in an Ipsy bag like long ago, and I've never really used it. It's not the worst thing. It smells amazing. I don't ever use it, and so I just, you know, kind of picked it because I know I never will use it for anything. I do love my Amarizi highlights and my Rodeo Dry from Nikki Tutorials. Like, I have other highlights I prefer more, so it's not like I hate this highlight at all. I just don't ever use it, and like, it's pretty for sure. It's a gorgeous highlight. I just I prefer other ones. Alright, so for my next step, I'm actually going to go back into this eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to dig into this little guy right here and add that as a little under eye. I wish there was a way that you can use this like under your eye as like a, like to make it more pop, but unfortunately it's really pretty on the finger, just not so much on your actual hand itself. I'm like trying to recreate my KKW look. Alright, so for my lashes, I'm using the Hello Lashes, the 5-in-1 clinically proven mascara from IT Cosmetics. I don't like hard bristles, and this definitely has a very, very hard bristle to it. Like, look at that. That has literally poked me in the eye, and it doesn't add the lift or the volume to my lashes like my Maybelline mascara does. Can definitely say, like, it's just, look at it. Just is not doing anything for my lashes. It's great. Even going on my lashes. That's kind of about my retrying these products. It make me like them. I'm not upset about the eyes. I do think that they look pretty, actually. I'm just, you know, for the lip product that I absolutely hate, it's actually by Pretty Vulgar. I received this again in my BoxyCharm box. I think I received this a couple months ago. I really wanted the beautiful pink one that they had, and I received this color, My Lips Are Sealed, and it's in the color 105 Weeping Willow is what it says. I thought that it'd be really gorgeous because like it looks like super pretty. Look, I'll even swatch it out for you. I was like, it's like a brown metallic. And in all the Instagram videos and people who do the BoxyCharm videos and the ads, I was like, they got this beautiful pink color. And then I see this, I'm like, I got this with like this shiny doo-doo brown. I was so disappointed. Not only did I get that, all my friends who had the box too got the same exact color. So none of us could even exchange, because normally we exchange products, and we couldn't even do that. I was like, what the hell? I was pissed. You give me doo-doo brown. So a shiny doo-doo brown. Look at this. Ooh, she's sexy. I'm feeling this for sure. Look, got like those little butthole lips. Oh yeah, look at that. Oof. Alright, so for my last and final step, I'll be using the Cover FX Illuminizing Setting Spray. There's actually nothing wrong with this spray except for the fact that when you spray your face, it literally throws glitter all over your face. So anyone out there who is really dry or loves to have dewy skin, this is like a perfect setting spray for you. And any girls out there who are oily girls like me, stay away from this, because literally you're just going to be luminizing every pore and every oil, and you're calling attention to it. So if I were you, just stay away. But let's go ahead and spray my face with it. All that glitter I just threw in my face. It's amazing. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the final look using all the products that I hate. What I have to say about it is I really thought that I was gonna eventually like one of these products, and unfortunately I'm still not a fan. I wish I could have fallen back in love with these products. I wish I could like these products, but unfortunately I still don't. I was able to create, you know, something like semi-decent. I like how the eyes turned out. I don't care for anything else though. It's a great look. It's a great look, and I cannot wait to take it off. So yeah, but like I said, I really hope that you guys like this video. I tried out these products again to see how I feel about them, and I'm just still not a fan. Is what it is. Don't forget to head over to Pretty Uncensored's channel. Like I said, I'm gonna link her down below as well as right here, and you guys can see her using all the products that she hates. Maybe we have some the same, maybe we have something different, and you know, check out her true crime videos. You guys are over there. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel, as well as don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I do put out videos weekly as well. And so yeah, I had a lot of fun trying this out. I thought it'd be pretty cool to try something new that I haven't done. Normally I just do reviews, and today I just kind of did products that I hate, and still not a fan of them. It is what it is. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Today's video, I'm doing something completely different. How do I even start to word that? Doesn't clog my pores. I'm going to, for my, so pale.